guys! Welcome back to another video. This video is my top 5 favorite liquid foundation. So, without further ado, let's get started. L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Makeup. This one I love kasi it's full coverage. You need a little bit and it goes a long way. But if you want a full one, you can do so. But this one for me is like matte. The selection of shades is perfect din. Ang dami niyang shade selection. So, mahahanap mo talaga yung shade na perfect for you. I have it in shade W4. And it's perfect shade for me. The L'Oreal True Match Liquid Foundation, and this one is in the shade G3. I super love. I did mention it sa lahat ng mga previous mga videos ko. This one is my favorite as of the moment, but meron akong mas gusto na foundation aside from this one. So this one is in my top 4. But this one I love kasi it has like a very sheer coverage. Hindi naman sheer, it does cover, but yung consistency niya is so thin that you can use it for everyday. You can build up this coverage if gusto niyo ng full coverage, but for me this one is perfect and it gives me that luminous skin, but not that like yung gusto ko talaga na dewy, super dewy. But yes, this one is my favorite top 4. The Revlon Color Stay Makeup Foundation, and I have this like forever, and I super love this one. This one is full coverage foundation that you can ever have. Now Drugstore, of course. All the items I have is all Drugstore. So it's very affordable and it's full coverage. I'm actually wearing it now, and the downside of this one is it's matte, but even so, I still love this one, and it does cover and it's full coverage. L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Foundation. And you know me, I'm all about that glow and that luminous skin, so this one is my top 2 favorite foundation of all times. Joke, as of the moment pala. So this one is so nice. I love this foundation. And if you're looking for that foundation that can cover, perfect for everyday, lasts longer than 5 hours, L'Oreal True Match Healthy Luminous Foundation. And this one is amazing. I super love this one. I've been using the cushion, Lumi cushion a lot because I think it's like the same lang naman siya. But I don't know if this one is discontinued or whatsoever, but this one is my top 1 favorite foundation of all times, of this moment. And I love it. It gives me that really luminous skin. Parang glowing siya. Just the same as this one. But this one is like very watery kasi compared to this one. So, thumbs up for this one. So, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and see you guys in my next video. Bye!